where we're going to look at this house, but we're heading back to where we came from. I think they're probably going to take me down and show me our neighbor's house. We know it's in Gaya, and it's the same. It's the same direction, the same way we just came from. So we're probably going to go see a neighbor's house and say, "Oh, by the way, this house is for sale."
Pinunta namin, tinignan kasi nga mura yung din nila. Pagdating namin doon, sabi nila, hindi ko alam.
Maybe the house.
Mura naman po na ito. Ano yung ano nila? Parang malambot. Nabalita na. Oing, oing, oing. Malambot.
Hey, you're getting a little chubby there. You were so skinny before. You aren't skinny anymore.
I know, chubby na.
I know. That's the same one that was real skinny looking in the movie. Back eating. And this is the one, you remember eating, this is Lolique. And she was eating the snail. Yeah, that movie's on YouTube of you eating snails. Going, eating the snail. And Karen hiding her head because you're making all the noise eating snails. Okay, and we're going to save a little bit of this video to take a picture of my neighbor's house. You used to be so shy. What's happening?
Shy?
Yeah, you used to be so shy.
I'm not shy now.
I know you're not shy now.
No, I'm not shy. I retired because I kick
No.
Si Mayra daw shy nung una, ngayon hindi na, nalilipad sa bayan. Oo. Siya naman ang toro. Siya nagtoro. Siyang mandato nito. Siya lahat may kasalanan nito. Siya ang tutor ko. Siya.
Look how she's gonna be on internet with us, and she's gonna say,
Siya ang tutor ko.
now what does that mean? What does that mean?
You taught me, honey. You taught me how.
I taught you not to be shy. I created a monster. Notice the little monster here?
Yeah. No, I'm not. I am monster now. I'm wild now. Mayra wild now. Before you very shy, now wild. Because of Jack. Malaria na to eh.
Well, she got another argument. She got in an argument with another bus driver. I told him she's gonna kick his butt.
Pumunta pa kami ng SM. Dapat doon na lang sa tungkol.
I'll tell the story separate from here.
Kasi diyan kami bababa ng tungkol. Sasakay kami ng tricycle, patungong Estrella. Sa tungkol na lang. Sa Estrella Home Subdivision. Estrella. Oo, sabi kasi nito eh. Hindi ko kasi alam. Tinatanong ko saan babanda yan.
May barangay Gaya.
Notice how noisy.
Doon din kami.
I said, notice how noisy Myra has gotten.
Very noisy, Myra. You know what? Why that's a subdivision? They say that. San Jose del Monte. San Jose del Monte, but belong in Gaya. With Estrella. Barangay Gaya.
You mean the bus? You mean the bus?
No. In a subdivision we were going now.
Yeah.
In Gaya also. Barangay Gaya.
Oh, is it?
So, yeah.
We're probably going to our own subdivision.